All right, so I'm about to change a shower curtain, which means I need a step stool because I'm kind of short. I love using this Cosco 3-step stool. So you can see here, it is a steel heavy duty one, but it's not super heavy. I can still lift it and move it around pretty easily. But I feel pretty secured by it because here at the bottom, you can see the feet, right? And so they grip on. So here, it's this simple. You just have it. You open it up. Let me do this way. And you open it up and you push this part down. You'll hear it click, right? It's clicking right back here. So right in this area right here. Once you've heard it click, you know that it's secure. It has 1, 2, 3 steps, and then it has this work tray. I like this because I can put stuff on it. You don't step on this one. But you can see how easy. And because it has these grips, I feel really comfortable being able to be on any of these steps and not feel like I am going to fall off. I also really like that up here, you can see that it has the grip here. So I feel secure when I'm holding on and getting up and down. Now, you saw me put it together. Let me show you what it looks like taking it down. Super easy. It's considered a one-hand function because back here, there's just a lever. You hold it, and all you do is put it up, and you're done. So this is what that lever is. When you do that, you're finished, and that's all it is. So again, if you're looking for a step stool, I really highly recommend this one. Again, I'm about to use it for a project here, changing out a shower curtain. I feel comfortable doing it by myself. I don't feel like I need to have someone with me when I'm doing it. I know it's sturdy. I know I'm gonna be safe in it. So again, if you're looking for one, I highly suggest you get this one. You're not gonna be disappointed.